This is the fourth attempt of the world's fastest D12 competition, using the same setup as in third attempt. 3650 3900 kV brushless motor with a custom gearbox, custom front arm with a wide rear wheel. Tires are from NN45. The difference is this time I added an RBRC gyro. First, I try gyro at 65% active and it wiggled too much, so we need to reduce gyro sensitivity. Metal axle shaft, spare tire is still in its place. Zero on GPS, Meilan M3 mini GPS with a custom protective case, 2S20C battery. By the way, I'm not sure whether I belong to standard chassis class or modified RWD class. I let the WPL site decide it for me. This time gyro is at 50%. Let's see the maximum speed. It is 43.4 km per hour or around 27 miles per hour. Now let's use 3S70C Graphene battery. I can feel a lot of bigger power. Pulling the throttle just a little bit can cause a skid. And since using 3S battery, the tires come off easily, because I didn't glue the tires to the rims. Let's see the speed. It's only 27.3 km per hour, because it cannot go straight. We try again. And it got off track. Can it go out? It seems it wants to do a backflip. We'll see the speed. Only 24.7 km per hour. We try again, and this time I turn off the gyro. And it's a bad decision, the car flipped easily. The GPS was thrown, and this is exactly why I create the protective case for this GPS. Speed only 16.8 km per hour and the tires come off again. But nothing was broken. We try again, this time I reactivate the gyro at 45%. It sounded like something touches the ground. I tried to hit full throttle and this is what happened. The tires flying. I'm expecting it can do some wheelie, but that cannot be happen because of the loose tires. 33.7 km per hour. The gearbox hit the ground because the tires flew and make the car lower. We put back the tires. And this time I tried to make the front suspension harder and higher, so the front side not as low as before. I didn't realize the position of the camera was not right, and when it's not captured by the camera, the car went off the track and hit the roots of a tree. The GPS was thrown again, 37.9 km/h or 23.5 mph. We'll see if anything breaks. And it turns out one of the upper arm is broken. It breaks on the thin part that I cannot design it bigger because of the limited spaces. So it's not a surprise it broke. I don't know what is my next plan, maybe install better suspension to make it more stable, but this means I need to redesign the front arm, and I don't know if the time is enough because this competition ends in about 2 weeks and currently I'm quite busy with other jobs. But we'll see later because I'm quite curious how fast this little truck can go. This time the top speed is 43.4 km/h or 27 mph and it's still half of throttle. So theoretically it can go up to 70 km/h or more if I manage to hit the full throttle for a few seconds. And here is a reply from the first round with no cut to submit on the competition. It's on to SB3. Thanks for watching.